Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to this Science 1 class, and today our topic is laws of motion, that is our chapter number 1. Now in our online class I already explained this lesson, but I know it is difficult to solve the numerical problem. That's why on this video we will solve the numerical problems. The problem which is given in your page number 17, the first problem I already written in this blackboard. Okay. How to solve this problem? Remember the points how to solve the problem. Before solving any of the problem, you have to read it very carefully. At least 2 times you have to read the question. Okay. Now solution. How to find out the solution of this problem? First step is given. What is given in the example? What is given in the problem? What is given? An object moves 18 meter in the first 3 seconds. So, distance of object in first 3 seconds is equal to 18 meter. How much it is? It is 18 meter. Second, 22 meter in the next 3 seconds. Distance of object in next 3 seconds is equal to 22 meter. At last, 14 meter in the last 3 seconds. So the distance of object in last 3 seconds is equal to 14 meter. In this way we have to write what is given in our example. Second step, to write the formula. We discuss about this formula in our online class. Okay, so what is the formula? What we have to find out? First we have to write what we have to find out. Okay, before writing the formula, you have to write out what we have to find in this example. So what is its average speed? So find average speed. Now write the formula. Formula for average speed is equal to, what is given? Distance is given and time is given. So total distance covered upon total time taken. This is our formula. Now it becomes very simple. We have to put all the values of distance as well as all time taken by the object. Okay. What are the distances? 18 meter, 22 meter and 14 meter. 18 meter plus 22 meter plus 14 meter divided by total time, 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds. So it becomes 9 seconds is equal to, now we have to calculate what it becomes. 8 to 10, 14, 2, 4, 5 meter upon 9 second is equal to, if you divide this 54 by 9, it becomes 6 meter per second. So students, our answer is, what is our question? What is its average speed? So our answer is, the average speed of the object is equal to 6 meter per second. Now write down this solved problem in your regular Science 1 register. Okay. Students, this is our second example which is given in our exercise. Okay, in page number 17. An object of mass 16 kilogram is moving with an acceleration of 3 meter per second square. This means what is given? Mass is given. So what is given? Mass is equal to 16 kilogram. Again acceleration is given. Acceleration is equal to 3 meter per second square. Calculate the applied force. What we have to find out? We have to find out the applied force. If the same force is applied on an object of mass 24 kg, again second mass is given, so this first value we can put 1 here, that is mass 1. Mass 2, it is given as 24 kilogram. How much will be the acceleration? So for this mass 2 we have to find out the acceleration. We have to find out the acceleration for mass 2. Understood up to this? Okay. Now calculation. But before calculation, what we need to write? We have to write the formula. We have to calculate the force, that is applied force. What is the formula for force? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. So F is equal to, again two mass is given, m1 and m2. Two acceleration will be there. This is a1, and if we want to find out this another, then it becomes second acceleration. Okay, our formula becomes m1 a1. So force is equal to, what is the value of this mass? This is 16 kg, multiply a, that is 3 meter per second square. So after calculation it becomes 48. It is force, so its unit is in Newton. Okay, this is our first answer. What is our first question? What is find out the applied force? So we get our first answer, that 48 Newton. Second question, acceleration for m2. Again we have to apply the same formula, not any another formula. So for second case it becomes F is equal to m2 a2. Okay, F is equal to m2 a2. Here we know the F, just we got the value of F, that is 48 Newton. So it is 48 is equal to m2 means it is 24 kg. 24 kg multiplied by this a2. Find out this a2 is equal to 48 Newton upon 24 kg. So it becomes 2. 24 2 is 48. So acceleration means meter per second square. This is our second answer. Write this problem in your copy. Okay. Our another problem is also regarding the average speed. You remember that our first problem is also related with this average speed. So you know the idea how to solve this problem. First, write the solution. What is given in the problem? While solving the problem, what is given in this example? What is given? A person swims 100 meter in the first 40 seconds. So person swim in first 40 seconds is equal to 100 meter. 80 meter in the next 40 seconds. Person swim in next 40 seconds is equal to 80 meter and 45 meter in the last 20 seconds. Person swim in last 20 seconds is equal to how much it is? It is 45 meter. Again apply the same formula. What is it? What is the formula? Formula for average speed is equal to total time taken by the person or total distance traveled by the person. Total distance upon total time. How much time and how much distance we have to put in this formula. See the distance: 100 meter, 80 meter and 45 meter. 100 meter plus 80 meter plus 45 meter. It is divided by total time. Total time 40 second, 40 second and 20 second. 40 second plus 40 second and it is 20 second. Understood up to this? Okay. Now solve this. 100, 180. This become 225 meter. 40, 40, 80 plus 20, it is 100 second. That's why average speed is equal to 2.25 meter per second. This is our final answer. So what we have to find out? We have to find out what is the average speed. So average speed of that person, you can write the answer in the last. The average speed of the person is equal to 2.25 meter per second. Write down this problem in your regular copy. Students, the next problem which is given in our book is a bullet having a mass of 10 gram and moving with a speed of 1.5 meter per second. This means the mass of bullet is given. So what is given? Mass of bullet is given. It is m1 is equal to 10 gram. It is given in gram. Okay. Speed is given, that is 1.5 meter per second. Speed, that is the initial velocity of the bullet, that is u1 is equal to 1.5 meter per second. Penetrate a thick wooden plank of mass 90 gram. That is our mass 2. Mass 2 is equal to 90 gram. The plank was initially at rest. The bullet get embedded in the plank. Now यहाँ पर दिया है कि initially the plank was at rest position. So initial velocity of the plank is equal to 0 meter per second. Both move together, means bullet and plank both they move together. Determine their velocities. What we have to determine? Determine the velocity. Velocity of what? Velocity of what? Velocity of bullet as well as velocity of plank. That is our common velocity. That is our common velocity. So how to write the velocity? We can write velocity 1 is equal to velocity 2 is equal to velocity. Okay, this is given in our example. Now again, first m1 and m2 both values are given in gram. You have to convert it into kilogram. How to convert the gram into kilogram? We have to divide it with 1000. So it becomes 10 upon 1000 kilogram, and second value becomes 90 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay. these are given values, and what we have to determine? We have to determine the common velocity, that is v. Formula: this problem is based on Newton's second law of motion, so that's why we have to apply the formula m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. This is the law of conservation of momentum, that is Newton's second law of motion. According to this formula, we have to put the values. What is the value of m1? It is given as 10 upon 1000 kilogram. What is u1? It is 1.5. okay, plus m2, how much it is? It is 90 upon 1000 multiply, what is our u2? It is given 0 is equal to, again m1, it is 10 upon 1000 multiply v, plus what is our m2? It is 90 upon 1000 multiply v. Okay, now solve this step. Is equal to, multiply 10 with this 1.5, you will get 15 upon 1000 plus this whole value becomes 0 because we have to multiply 90 upon 1000 by 0, so our value becomes 0, equal to, this is 10v upon 1000, 10v upon 1000 plus this is 90v upon 1000. In both this bracket, this v is common. Okay, so how to write? 15 upon 1000 is equal to, this v is common, so you have to write 10 plus 90, again 1000 is common, it becomes 1000. So this is 15 is equal to v, in bracket it is 100, therefore 15 is equal to v multiplied by that 100, we can find the value of v. V is equal to 15 upon 100, that becomes 0.15 meter per second, because the unit of v is meter per second. Understood? So students, write this problem in your copy. Thank you students.